For the past 10 years, I've been reviewing and testing different investing accounts here on YouTube and over on my blog, investingsimple.com. In this video, I'll be giving you a rundown of the best Roth IRA accounts to get started with right now, including what investments that they offer, key features, and most importantly, any sign-up bonuses. Now guys, with that said, dozens of hours of research went into making this video happen. So if you appreciate that, all that I ask in return is that you drop a like and subscribe. The IRS has announced important contribution limit changes for the year 2026, along with updated income phase-out ranges. But the good news is you're in the right place because we're going to be breaking it all down. We'll be covering the basics of how a Roth IRA works, the rule changes that you need to know about for 2026, and then we're going to explore the 7 best options out there for Roth IRA providers. And whether you're looking to invest in stocks, ETFs, cryptos, or maybe even precious metals in your Roth IRA, we will be covering it all. Real quick, I do have to mention that I am not a financial advisor and this isn't personalized financial advice. So before we get into the different Roth IRA providers, let's talk about what a Roth IRA actually is, and you can skip ahead at any point using the table of contents down below. A Roth IRA is a special type of retirement account where you contribute money that you've already paid taxes on. In exchange, the IRS gives you 2 massive benefits. Your investments grow tax-free, and you can withdraw that money tax-free in retirement so long as you follow a few basic rules. And to quickly explain the rules here, the main one is that withdrawals of your earnings are tax-free and penalty-free so long as the account is at least 5 years old and you are at least 59.5 years old. But who is a Roth IRA best suited for? While they can be beneficial to all sorts of different groups, young people in particular can often see the most rewards from this type of account. When you're young, you have a long time horizon to allow your money to grow, and if all of that growth is tax-free, it's going to be all the more impactful. But in addition, your highest earning years are often later on in life, which likely means that you will be in a higher tax bracket. Here's the thing though, with a Roth IRA, you are contributing your post-tax dollars, or money that you've already been taxed on. And if you're earning less while you're younger, you're likely in a lower tax bracket. So that means that you could potentially pay a lower tax rate as a young person and then avoid the higher tax rate altogether later on with your Roth IRA funds. With something like a 401k or traditional IRA, the tax benefit happens up front and you get an immediate deduction against your income, which is going to give you instant gratification. But the caveat is that you'll end up paying taxes later on when you eventually withdraw that money, which is probably going to be in a higher tax bracket. Simply put, the Roth IRA gives you delayed gratification. There's no benefits up front like the 401k or traditional IRA, but the long-term benefits are significant. So now that we've covered all that, let's dive into the Roth IRA updates for 2026. For starters, contribution limits have increased from $7,000 in 2025 to $7,500 for this year. And for those who are age 50 or older, catch-up contributions have increased to $8,600, up from $8,000 in 2025. But there's another limitation associated with Roth IRAs, and that is income limits. Because the Roth IRA account is such an effective tool for building tax-free wealth, there are limits on how much income that you can earn while still directly contributing to a Roth IRA. To account for this, the IRS uses something called an income phase-out range. Simply put, this means that the higher your income is, the less you are able to contribute until it eventually drops to 0 once you pass the upper limit. For single filers in 2026, the phase-out begins at a modified adjusted gross income of $153,000 and ends at $168,000. And for married couples filing jointly, the phase-out now runs from $242,000 to $252,000. And both of those limits are slightly higher than last year's numbers, just so you're aware. So for example, if your income is below the lower end of that range, say under $153,000 as a single filer, you can make a full contribution. And if it's in between that range, you can use an IRA contribution calculator to see how much you're allowed to contribute. And if you happen to be above these income limits, you can't directly contribute to a Roth IRA, and you'd have to look into something called a backdoor Roth IRA instead. The last thing I want to cover before we dive into the top 7 Roth IRAs is when contributions can be made, as this is often a source of confusion. Contributions for a given tax year can be made anytime between January 1st of that year and the tax filing deadline of the following year, or April 15th. That means whether you're making a 2025 or 2026 contribution affects which limits apply, so make sure you take this into consideration. With that out of the way, guys, let's now dive into the best Roth IRAs for 2026. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The first Roth IRA on our list is offered through the Robinhood retirement accounts. Robinhood offers some of the best features out there for DIY investors, and one of the biggest benefits is their IRA match. Anyone who opens a Robinhood IRA will get a 1% match on annual contributions or IRA transfers and rollovers, similar to how some employers match 401k contributions. And if you subscribe to Robinhood Gold for just $5 a month, that IRA match jumps up to 3%. Because that extra money doesn't count towards IRA contribution limits, it's effectively free money on top of what you invest. But beyond just the IRA match, Robinhood offers a great deal of flexibility. From fractional shares allowing you to invest as little as $1 to more advanced strategies like options trading, there's a lot offered here. And if you prefer a more hands-off approach, Robinhood also offers Robinhood Strategies, which are managed portfolios where you don't have to pick and choose individual investments. For investors looking for flexibility, an easy-to-use app, and an extra kick-in, I think Robinhood is really second to none. The best part is you can even get a free fractional share worth up to $200 when you open a new Robinhood account using my link in the description or by visiting ryanoscribner.com/Robinhood. Once you open your account and fund it with any amount of money, you're going to get your free fractional share, and you get to choose from a list of 20 leading American companies. So it's kind of like a gift card to go out and pick the stock that you actually want. Up next on our list, we have Public, which offers Roth IRAs among other types of retirement accounts. Similar to Robinhood, one of their biggest advantages is a 1% match on contributions with no membership or subscription required. In addition, the 1% match also applies if you roll over a 401k or transfer an existing IRA. With Public, you have full control over your investments, and that means that you can pick and choose exactly what goes into your Roth IRA. You can invest in thousands of different individual stocks, bonds, ETFs, and even trade options contracts, all within a retirement account. In addition, Public also makes investing both easy and convenient with various automation features. For example, you can set up recurring contributions, which means that your money is invested automatically every month, week, or whatever you set. And there's even an option to have these recurring contributions stop automatically once the IRS annual contribution limit is met. Beyond the retirement investing world, Public also offers a competitive high-yield savings account, individual brokerage accounts, crypto trading, and more. So if you want a straightforward investing experience with an extra kick-in on IRAs, be sure to visit ryanoscribner.com/public to learn more. Up next on our list, we have M1 Finance. M1 Finance supports not only Roth IRAs, but in addition, traditional and SEP IRAs too, giving you more account diversity. Their rollover process is also seamless, which can be helpful if you have an existing retirement account that you want to move. And for those who aren't familiar, a rollover is when you transfer funds from one retirement account to another retirement account without paying taxes or penalties. So if you have an old 401k from a previous employer or something like that, you can potentially roll this over into a new Roth IRA. One of M1's core strengths is its pie investment model. You can create a custom portfolio by setting what percentage goes into each stock or ETF. Or you can choose from pre-built portfolios made available by M1. In addition, M1 Finance also lets you automate contributions, which means that it will automatically invest according to your pie allocations. This can make it easier to stay consistent with your investments over the long term, but also to help keep your portfolio balanced and close to your target allocations. Outside of just retirement accounts, M1 Finance also offers a high-yield savings account and individual brokerage accounts, among a few other financial products. But it's important to note that M1 Finance is limited to 1 or 2 trading windows per day, which is not ideal for active investing strategies. In addition, there's also a monthly platform fee of $3 for account balances under $10,000, so be sure to take this into consideration as well. In short, M1 Finance can be a great Roth IRA option if you like automation features and portfolio-based investing, especially for long-term buy and hold investing strategies. You can check them out linked down below or by visiting ryanoscribner.com/M1. But let's say you're looking for a more robust, advanced trading platform associated with your Roth IRA. That's where our fourth option, Webull, enters the picture. Webull offers over 60 different technical indicators and more than a dozen different charting and drawing tools useful for active strategies relying on technical analysis. Without getting into too much detail here, active trading often comes with a higher tax bill because of short-term capital gains. But if you do this type of active trading within a Roth IRA account, you can avoid those short-term taxes altogether, which is why a lot of traders like Webull. In addition, Webull is currently running an IRA match promotion where you can either get a 1 or 3% match, depending on whether or not you have Webull Premium. With both a mobile app and a robust desktop trading platform, Webull offers quite a bit of flexibility here for active traders. And they even have a light version for those who prefer a more simple user experience. If you want to check them out, be sure to use my link down below or visit ryanoscribner.com/Webull as they offer free stocks and other bonuses to my audience. But for those who might be looking for something a little bit different, we have our next provider, iTrustCapital. Simply put, this is a leading platform for making alternative investments within your retirement accounts like a Roth IRA. Unlike traditional firms that limit you to stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, iTrustCapital lets you invest in cryptocurrencies and physical precious metals, all inside a tax-advantaged IRA structure. As of scripting this video, gold is up nearly 60% year-to-date, and silver is doing even better, with year-to-date gains exceeding 90%. If you're interested in holding crypto and possibly even gold and silver within an IRA, iTrustCapital might be the platform for you. One of the biggest appeals is their 24/7 access to your assets. With iTrustCapital, you can buy or sell crypto or precious metals at any time, so if the markets move quickly, you're not stuck waiting for Wall Street hours. In addition, the cost structure with iTrustCapital is very straightforward. There's no setup fee, no maintenance fee, and no ongoing subscription cost. Instead, you only pay when you transact. Crypto trades come with a flat 1% transaction fee, and metals trades have fees based on the spot price plus a small premium. If you want to check them out, be sure to visit ryanoscribner.com/iTrust to learn more. Next up on our list, we have SoFi, which has become a household name in the world of finance. SoFi offers 2 very different options for retirement investing. You can choose between a self-directed IRA where you pick and choose individual stocks, ETFs, and assets yourself, curating your own portfolio, or they also offer a robo-advised IRA where SoFi automates everything based on your risk tolerance and goals. And similar to other options on our list here, SoFi offers a 1% match on whatever contributions that you make with no minimums or subscription required. Perhaps the biggest benefit to SoFi is just how many different financial services they offer. From banking to credit cards to loans and even crypto, SoFi has the potential to be a one-stop shop for your financial life. So if you're looking for a simple hands-off or hands-on approach to retirement investing, be sure to check them out by visiting ryanoscribner.com/SoFi. Coming in at number 7 on our list is Fidelity. If you're looking for a Roth IRA with flexibility from a provider with a decades-long track record, then Fidelity might be your best bet. And similar to SoFi, Fidelity offers either a hands-on or hands-off approach to investing. Their basic self-managed Roth IRA, or the hands-on method, has no minimum deposit required, meaning you you can start investing with as little as $1 if you want to. On the other hand, if you're looking for a set it and forget it approach to investing, Fidelity offers a robo-advisor version called Fidelity Go for that hands-off approach. With Fidelity Go, you can open an account with as little as $10, and for balances under $25,000, there is no advisory fee. Once your account grows beyond that threshold, the advisory fee is a modest 0.35% per year. Over time, that can be a small price to pay for automation features, rebalancing, and access to professional planning tools. Fidelity also allows you to include crypto within your individual retirement account through Fidelity Crypto, but before you get too excited here, the options are limited to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Solana. These crypto majors are good enough for most people, but in general, Fidelity does lack a broad selection of cryptocurrencies. Is it time to quit your job? If you're serious about becoming financially independent by starting a side hustle, this book is the guide for you. From Side Hustle to Main Hustle to Millionaire is a distilled version of my entire journey in business. Every lesson, mistake, and shortcut. Because here's the thing, I made a lot of mistakes along the way, including the times that I learned that lazy habits do not translate to success. You'll learn the simple things like making your first $100, how to grow an audience from scratch, and understanding important things like perception. But in addition, it also gets into taking on business partners, selling off equity in your business, and even investing into other startup businesses. So grab your copy today at Barnes & Noble, your local library, over on Amazon, or on Audible. And if you're ready to build wealth on your own terms, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out this next video that we think you'll like, and we'll see you next time.